Dear student, as I am doing the different type of mathematical function, another mathematical function is CLECT, select. Then what I am giving, select 30, suppose, okay, 34, let us take 34 divided by 5. Okay, select 34 divided by 5, semicolon. So what it will show you, have you seen it? So this is how you will going to see that particular structure of the things will come. Now I'm going to show you some power work. ACLECT, select. Okay, POW, uh, POW, that open the bracket, what power? So 5 comma 5, isn't it? Semicolon. Okay, so 5 to the power of 5. Another one, ACLECT, select, then power, 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 open the bracket. Okay, suppose 6 comma 6, suppose 3 times. Okay, so 6 3 times, is it? So this is how you can make the particular thing. Now I show you another one, that is a truncate. ACLECT, select, and truncate, TRUNCATE, truncate. Now what, suppose I am taking one value 456.7896, okay, comma, suppose 2, semicolon. So now see what it is showing you. Truncate means from the last value, what it will going to do, it will going to deduct the value. Yeah, it will going to deduct the value. So these two values has been deducted, and it has taken after decimal point only two place has been taken, and those the two place has been shown to you. Now suppose ACLECT, select, TRUNCATE, truncate. I am using small letter, you can use a capital letter also. Suppose 345.6789, okay, comma, minus, suppose 2. Now what it will do when you give minus 2, okay, so as you give minus 2, that means all the values will be truncated. That means the values will be reduced, because it here in this case it is not reduced because it is 5 or more than 5, so it remains the same. Changes hasn't been done here. But for this case, you see it, for this case minus 2, that means from the backside it is taking from here. Okay, from here backside it is taking, that means before the decimal point. So this two place has been moved out. Okay, these two place has been moved out. So 300 is been showing to you. Minus 2, plus 2 means after the decimal point, plus means after decimal point, and remember minus means before the decimal point. It will going to do the work, and it will going to show you the work. Okay, so this is how your truncate option will going to work, and this is how they will going to work in your particular implementations. Clear? So this is the trunk function or truncate functions, whatever you say. Now power function or POW, that also you can write, or POW or POWR or truncate, you can write it in this particular manner. You can write this truncate function, and you can utilize these truncate functions. Okay, so this is how the truncating means. We remember it. Plus means after the decimal point here. Minus means before the decimal point. Okay, so this is before and after will be, you will decide that how it will going to do the truncating of the figure that you are showing here. Clear? So how it will going to do the truncating of the figure, that is been shown here in this particular implementation of your work. That means in this particular implementation of the work of your programming, means maths programming, that you will going to implement in your SQL, structured query language. Okay, SQL commands that you are using here and you are implementing here. So those are the different type of commands that you have seen that I have used here. Select, dual, then I have used also mod, Okay, to take out the mod of it. Mod means to divide and find out